Soil preparation is a challenging job, especially when the soil is tough. To take this challenge head-on, farmers need a source of reliable power. Steel Power Tiller. It's world-renowned, advanced steel Euro 5 engine. It has many features that make its operation easy, convenient, and fatigue-free.
अब पेश है एक आधुनिक और दमदार टेक्नोलॉजी, जॉन डियर ऑटो ट्रैक। इसका हाई एक्यूरेसी रिसीवर सैटेलाइट द्वारा सुधारित सिग्नल की मदद से आपको दो कतारों के बीच समान अंतर रखने में सहायता करता है। इस तरह आप ऑटो ट्रैक टेक्नोलॉजी की मदद से उन्नति की राह पर चलकर अपने भविष्य को उज्जवल बना सकते हैं। आज ही चुनिए जॉन डियर ऑटो ट्रैक टेक्नोलॉजी और कीजिए कल की शुरुआत।
We have Center of Excellence teams with unique service offerings in niche areas with operational flexibility.
We work on a wide spectrum of domains like mechanical, embedded electronics, electrical, software, and instrumentation.
Mitsubishi Electric India's Factory Automation and Industrial Division formally commenced its India operations in 2012 and has rapidly expanded its operations since inception. Since then, we have further cemented our position in the Indian market and have grown our coverage to 24 locations, 7 tech centers, 2 manufacturing facilities, and 1 R&D center. With eFactory, adoption of Industry 4.0 and achieving digital manufacturing goals has become a reality.